Groovers, we're here at actually Renew Solutions on the Gold Coast. We're actually doing some flow testing of our StormFilter. So we've taken 5 different filters from 5 different sites across the Gold Coast, all been in the ground for different periods. I think the youngest is about 1.5 years, the oldest is about 3 years. We're basically seeing how much occlusion we're getting across these systems and how much that's actually affecting the flow rate. So the Renew Solutions guys, so we've got Charles Coth up here,
Nice.
and Sam Later has sort of been the genius at work here, but basically this is the setup. So basically doing some flow testing of our device. There's a clean cartridge in here that uses, I guess, the sort of the benchmark, and basically putting a whole bunch of water through it to see how much water comes out, and then we'll compare that flow rate against what we're seeing in the other filters. Just again, trying to work out how much our filters are occluding and how that is actually affecting the flow coming through these systems. Helps us determine how often we need to replace these filters. If you've got any further questions, hit us up at oceanprotect.com.au. We'll have the report available soon.